Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Putri Nur Ashiki. My metric number is 30 DLS 23F 2005. Ethic and social responsibility in procurement. Ethic decision situation. During a vendor evaluation, a supplier offered an unrecorded gift, hoping to influence the selection process. Action. I refer to DHL's Code of Conduct, which is reported the incident and remove the supplier from the tender. I ensure all communication and decision were properly documented for transparency. As the result, this maintains fairness in supplier selection, protect DHL from compliance risks, and reinforce trust in the procurement process. Procurement and social responsibility. What social responsibility means? First, ensuring procurement decisions support ethics, sustainability, safe labor practice, and environment protection. At DHL Global Forwarding, which is DGF, this means choosing suppliers who follow first, go green environmental targets, second, anti-corruption policy, safe working condition, ethical sourcing, and lawful labor practice. Strategy for ethical procurement. First, use only supplier in DHL approved vendor list via Ariba. Second, ensure all suppliers sign DHL supplier code of conduct. Third, evaluate supplier fairly using objective criteria such as price, quality, sustainability, and safety. Fourth, document decision clearly to avoid conflict of interest. The last one will be encourage supplier to commit to carbon reduction and responsible operations. Social responsibility project situation had to select supplier who could support sustainability goals. Action assess vendor based on environmental initiative, which is fuel efficient fleets, recyclable packaging, and strong safety compliance. As a result, strengthen DHL's sustainability impact, reduce operational risk, and align procurement with Go Green 2030. Current and procurement issues. Current ethical issues. First, lack of supply chain transparency. Some suppliers hide unethical labor or environmental practices. Fraud and bribery risks, especially in competitive tendering. Environmental impact. Logistic activities contribute to emissions and waste. How DHL address this? First, they conduct supplier audits and compliance checks. Enforce strict anti-bribery rules. And the last one is use digital tools to track supply performance and sustainability. How to stay updated on emerging trends and future issues. First, attend DHL internal training, which is compliance and sustainability. Next, follow industry standards via CIPS. Read DHL procurement updates and attend supply chain website. Collaborate with experienced procurement teams to stay informed on best practice. Biggest ethical challenge in procurement for the next 5 years. First, a balancing cost with sustainability pressure, managing geopolitical and economic disruption. Third, meeting rising customer experience for carbon neutral logistics, adapting to tighter ESG, which is environmental, social governance, and regulation across countries. Impact of procurement of supply chain. Impact of procurement of supply chain. First, strengthen trust and long-term relationship with suppliers. Improve their reputation as a responsible global logistic leader. Ensure consistent and reliable supply chain performance. Support their Go Green 2030 goals by reducing emissions and waste. Negative impact on poor social responsibility. Situation. Unethical supplier may use unsafe labor practice for or fail to meet legal requirements. So the action is evaluated how this issue cause delays, legal risks, safety problems, and inconsistent service. As a result, highlighted why DHL must select responsible suppliers to keep freight operations smooth and compliant. Terima kasih. Ensure supplier ethics. Perform regular supplier audits on on-site check. Require all suppliers to follow DHL supplier code of conduct. Evaluate performance beyond cost, including sustainability, safety, and ethical behavior. Remove suppliers who violate compliance. Zero tolerance. Conclusion. ethical procurement is essential for building trust, transparency, and long-term supplier relationship. At DHL Global Forwarding, responsible procurement ensure compliance with global standards, protects company reputation, and support sustainable logistics. By applying ethical practice, sustainability principle, and proper suppliers evaluations, procurement contributes directly to a stronger, safe, and more reliable supply chain. Ultimately, ethical procurement is not just a process, but it's a commitment to integrity, sustainability, and continuous improvement across DHL global operations. Thank you everyone for watching this. I hope people